Pinuntahan namin yung Lola.
Hello, beautiful people. So we are here again. Finally, nagkaroon ng time bawat isa. So now look at those beautiful faces.
Merciful,
welcome back, Mare. Ayan, ako si Mare. Nag-tour yan. Around the world. Okay. So, kararating lang niya. Tingnan naman ninyo, fresh na fresh. Mistisang-mistisa. Napakaganda. Okay. And finally, BFFD. We miss you, BFFD. And of course, Nori is right there. Hello, Nori.
Hi.
How are you? Si Nori din, kagagaling din from her Asian tour. At tingnan ninyo, fresh na fresh si Nori. Let me see your face. Nori, say hi! Hi! And my beautiful sister Lee. Napakaganda. Ayan. Fresh na fresh din. Okay, so we're having coffee and of course, cake. Alam niyo, ordinary yung araw na lang tong cake sa amin. Ayan, yan ang aming dessert. At meron din kami ritong buchi and some, is that a coffee cake? Coffee cake. And I think this is the purple bread.
Hindi na lang yung akin na.
Okay. So, it's happy time again with... Oh yes, so advance happy...